Alrighty everybody, so a quick thing before I end the video, we're at 50 subscribers. That's a big accomplishment for me because I never thought this would ever even get to 10, but yeah. So, if we get the channel, if we get us, because you're a part of this too, if we get us to 100 subscribers, I will get the quad tip and do the biggest burnout you've ever seen in this garage ever. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have a very awesome video for y'all today. We are finally going to get this car fixed. I have a new connector here because my wires were ripped out just like so. So we're gonna weld that, or not weld that. I got new nuts, washers for the brackets because on the old one, these just snapped in half because they were old, rusted, dirty, crappy, and so on and so forth. I got a new light bulb inserter, connector, socket, whatever, because it got ripped out when the turn signal fell out. It's a whole nother story. Watch my last video, and well, my last video, and I'll talk about this. I'll just put a link up in that corner. But yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rewire that thing. I've never done wiring in my life, but I'm just gonna kind of just wing it, and then we're gonna get started. We have this bumper, which is the old one that I said was a piece of crap, and now I have to eat my own words. But here it is again. Here we are again. Oh, I never put a pin on that. Huh. That's okay. But anyways, got these brackets that go here like so. Just like that. So we're gonna get all this installed, and we're gonna get the quad tip back up on the road because I miss it so much. So here we go. And by the way, we have my very own shirt. So I ordered this shirt, and the purple's a little off. This is just a prototype shirt, but I'm gonna get another one. If I like it, I'm gonna order more, and maybe, just maybe, we have our own merch. I don't know. I like the way it sounds, and I like the way it looks, and it's got the logo in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Whatever, but you get the point. I'll have more pictures on it on my Instagram. Go check it out. It's TexasQuadTip, just like the channel. So I'll borrow you for a second here, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of electrical guys being saying, "Don't touch the light bulb." Well, race car. That's all I gotta tell you, buddies. So that's good enough. Okay. That looks good enough. If I get it on the first try, that's gonna be so awesome. All right, so I got it right on the first try. I've never done wiring before, but I just kind of put them together. But I got some heat shrink wrap, so I'm gonna tie those real tight, and then I'm gonna get that heat shrink wrap on there, and I think we'll be good to go for the light. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna have yellow bulbs this time, so it's gonna be a lot brighter, and with the new turn signal lights, it's gonna be looking even better. So let's get going. All right, the most challenging part of this was done. I finally got these wires together safely. So now, thank God, we just have to put the bumper back on this thing, and we'll do that. All right, these are the old ones. They are very, very not good anymore. These are the new ones, which we are going to get on this car right now. Oh my lordy. Is this for real? Is this for real? This is for real. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Do I have the wrong side? I sure do. Oh man. Does that feel good? Yeah, these things are not falling off this time. Whatever. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, this is looking good. So funny thing, the brackets are so messed up, or the body is so messed up, that the brackets, how they're originally supposed to go, which is they have that little bend right there and it goes down. Well, the body's so messed up that the brackets wouldn't fit on it, so I cut the brackets. Oh God, I cut the brackets. All right, whatever. It's gonna go on now, so I'm gonna get the bumper on, and we're gonna forget that I even had to do that. And if something happens in the future, I mean race car, right? Woo! Whatever. All right. See y'all when the bumper is back. Oh, well, sort of. I don't know. All right, putting these brackets back on. Slide that in through here. Oh, I know y'all can't see. All right, there's one more. Pop you in there. Get some anti-seize because I don't want a repeat of what happened when I took those off. Yeah, this bumper comes off a lot, so. Where are the light bulbs? Right here. Better not be broken. They're not. Look at these new bolts. They are so sexy. They work! Never done wiring in my life. And I managed to fix it. It looks so nice. It looks like a Christmas tree. Woo! Alright. Well. Never thought I could do this. Never thought I'd see the day. Alright, the GoPro got full of, it ran out of space for the SD card. So I'm just gonna leave this here and we are gonna get the bumper on. On. Pete, the new shirt. Pretty cool. And if you can tell, there's no grill. Nah, the grill's not coming back on. Okay, it's on. Now to tighten them up. Alright y'all, excuse the wind. It's about like 40, 50 over here in Texas, but look at this. Finally the quad tip is fixed again. Look at that. Oh my lordy. It looks so amazing, especially without the grill. It looks even meaner. Oh my gosh, if that's even a word. Man, that looks so good. Well y'all, thanks for watching and watching my other videos on the journey to get this freaking thing back up and running. But it's back and I can't wait to drive it, and I can't wait to be back on the road with this thing and to continue on my journey of making this the most coolest, the most recognizable V6 Mustang out there. This is TexasQuadTip. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, share with your local mechanic. See what he thinks about my wiring. I don't really care. It's really bad, but who cares? It's working. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.